5 common myths about passive income. Debunked.
Many people dream of earning money while they sleep, but misconceptions about passive income can lead to disappointment. In this video, we'll break down the 5 most common myths about passive income and reveal the facts you need to know before getting started.
Myth 1. Passive income requires no work.
One of the biggest myths is that passive income means zero effort. In reality, most sources like rental properties, investments, or online businesses require significant upfront work, planning, or investment. Even after the initial setup, ongoing management or occasional attention is usually needed to keep the income flowing.
Myth 2. It's an easy way to get rich quick.
Some people believe passive income is a shortcut to wealth. In truth, it's rarely quick or easy. Building sustainable passive income streams takes time, consistency, learning, and smart decision-making. Most people see gradual growth rather than overnight success, so patience is essential.
Myth 3. You need a lot of money to start.
Many assume you must be wealthy to create passive income. While some opportunities require significant capital, like real estate, there are options that need minimal investment. Examples include peer-to-peer lending, high-yield savings, or creating digital products. The key is to start small and grow over time.
Myth 4. Passive income is completely risk-free.
It's often believed that passive income is safe and steady. However, all investments and businesses carry risks, such as market downturns, vacancies, or regulatory changes. Understanding and managing these risks is crucial whether you're investing money, time, or skills into your chosen method.
Myth 5. Anyone can replace their day job instantly.
A common misconception is that passive income can immediately replace a full-time salary. In reality, building substantial, dependable passive income usually takes years. Most people combine multiple income streams and gradually reduce reliance on traditional jobs, rather than making an instant leap.
Debunking myths, the path forward.
Understanding the realities behind these myths can help set realistic expectations and guide smarter choices. While passive income offers valuable opportunities, it's important to recognize the work, time, and strategy involved. With the right approach, you can build income sources that support your financial goals.